was delayed about 2 hours, but that gave us some extra time in the hotel room to get ready. Now we're headed to the airport. Beach time.
Beach time.
Doing some last second repacking.
Hold this.
So we got checked into the flight about 40 minutes before it's supposed to take off.
Stopping. Please collect your belongings and watch your step as you exit.
And our flight departs in about 15 minutes. But I think we're gonna make it. 10 minutes. After running like crazy people, it was delayed again.
First, our hotel shuttle wouldn't take us to the right airport, and then the terminal shuttle didn't show up, and so then we got in a taxi, and then this other guy was like, "I'll take you," and he's like, "Just kidding, I charged money." We thought it was like the shuttle, and then I took a taxi, and we got here finally, and they're like, "Oh, you can't check your bag because it's too late." And
No, first of all, we waited half an hour.
Oh, yeah, we waited half an hour over there
in Sky Priority, and the non-Sky Priority line ended up moving 3 times as fast. So we sent Steph over to the other line, and I stayed in the Sky Priority line, and she ended up winning.
And then we got to security, and they're like, "Oh, well, since you're not checking your bag, you have to throw away all your liquids. So we're just gonna be like Red Lobsters and get sunburned because we have no sunblock because guess what? It's a liquid." And then we booked it over here. I had a heart attack. Literally ran across to the next over terminal. Like had to take a train and everything. Got here, and they're like, "Oh, your gate agent isn't even here. Your flight got delayed another hour." Yeah. So we're here now. Taking a break.
Taking this beautiful view.
That's what happened. That is what happened.
So even after all that craziness, our departure time has been moved back from 1:26 to 2 p.m. again. We'll see if we can make it out of here at 2. 1:40, and we are on the plane. Hopefully nothing else goes wrong.
Lift. Once we're airborne, it'll be about 2 hours and 17 minutes on our way to Grand Cayman. We'll get you down there as quickly but as safely as we possibly can, understanding that everybody's delayed today. Not much we can do about the snow today, though. So other than that, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. We'll be on our way hopefully before too long.
It looks like we might finally take off. Think we will?
What?
Are we gonna take off? Beautiful Grand Cayman, but unfortunately the sun is gone. We missed all of the sun due to the flight delays. Oh well, we'll figure it out. So because our flight was delayed, our shuttle is also delayed. They didn't get the news, so sad boys.